in the airspace over Germany. Physicist Michio Kaku believes the strange shape-shifting object could be something even stranger than an angel, a living entity that exists outside the biological world.
If it is a gaseous cloud of some sort that's luminous, it could be a plasma. Now, a plasma is the fourth state of matter. We have solids, liquids, and gases, but what is the sun made out of? What are the aurora borealis made out of? Made out of hot gases that are ionized, and they're luminous. And so I think it could be plasma.
Space plasma makes up 99.9% of our universe. It's gas that has become so superheated that its atoms are ripped apart into electrons and ions. In 2007, scientist Vadim Tistovich at the Russian Academy of Science proposed that plasma could be alive, and in a way that's totally different to life as we know it.
All of life on Earth is carbon-based, but given the vastness of the universe and how life can survive and even thrive in really extreme environments, there's no reason to say that all life in the universe is carbon-based.
This life would have a completely different chemical signature and would maybe be really hard to detect, and could maybe look completely different than anything we think about when we think about life.
Maybe this plasma is actually alive. So what do you mean when you say something is alive? First of all, it has to exist as a stable entity. Second, it has to reproduce itself, and it has to convey information.
It sounds like a script from Star Trek, but amazingly, a university in Romania in 2003 conducted experiments that could change our understanding of life itself.
Physicists have managed to create blobs of plasma that can grow, replicate, and communicate. Basically everything that a naturally occurring cell does.
Apart from passing on inherited material like DNA, but it still opens up possibilities humans never thought feasible.
There are millions of planets out there that are habitable for life forms like us, and millions more that are habitable for life forms that are nothing like us at all. These experiments help us understand how life may arise on other planets, even if that life is something that we don't even know how to think about yet.
And that life may already be close to home. In 2015, a student at the Sydney Institute for Astronomy studied data from the cutting-edge Murchison Wide Field Array radio telescope in Western Australia. Much to her professor's surprise, she discovered giant tubes of plasma 350 miles high in the magnetosphere, completely encircling our planet.
With so much plasma in the universe, can't evolution create some kind of ball of plasma that can replicate themselves and that convey information? That cannot be ruled out yet.
Are we looking at something that we didn't think was possible before, and now we're looking at it?
Whatever it was caught on camera during the flight, if other types of intelligent life are taking an interest in our aircraft or any other type of our technology, their curiosity may not be entirely angelic.
I say we should be cautious. Cautious to the point that we should hide as much as possible our technology and our capabilities away from them. Because we simply don't know if they're out there, and we don't know what their intentions are.